Best Luxury Sports Car for 2025 to 2024 Chevrolet Corvette. The 2024 Chevrolet Corvette has been named the Best Luxury Sports Car for 2025, further solidifying its place as a legendary performance icon. With its stunning mid-engine design, blistering speed, and refined interior, the Corvette continues to offer an unparalleled blend of luxury and performance, making it a top choice for driving enthusiasts and luxury car aficionados alike. Blazing performance and engineering excellence. The 2024 Chevrolet Corvette, also known as the C8, is powered by a naturally aspirated 6.2-liter V8 engine that delivers an exhilarating 495 horsepower and 470 lb-ft of torque. This power is channeled through an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, allowing for lightning-fast gear changes and a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 2.9 seconds. This remarkable acceleration places the Corvette in supercar territory, offering performance that rivals some of the world's most expensive exotics. The Corvette's mid-engine layout not only enhances its performance but also improves its handling. With near-perfect weight distribution and a low center of gravity, the Corvette delivers precise, confident handling whether on winding roads or at the racetrack. The available Z51 performance package further elevates its capabilities, adding features like a performance-tuned suspension, larger brakes, and an electronic limited-slip differential for even greater track performance. Striking design and luxurious interior. The 2024 Corvette's design is a bold departure from its predecessors, with a sleek, aerodynamic shape that highlights its mid-engine configuration. Its sharp lines, aggressive front fascia, and distinctive rear end give it a commanding presence on the road, while functional design elements like side air intakes and a rear spoiler enhance its performance. Inside, the Corvette offers a driver-focused cockpit that blends luxury with cutting-edge technology. The cabin is wrapped in premium materials, including leather, aluminum, and carbon fiber, creating an upscale environment that rivals European luxury sports cars. The 12-inch digital instrument cluster and 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system provide a high-tech interface, while features like a head-up display and premium Bose sound system ensure a first-class driving experience. The seats are both supportive and comfortable, designed to hold the driver in place during spirited driving while offering the comfort needed for long-distance cruising. Advanced technology and safety. The 2024 Corvette is equipped with an array of advanced technology and safety features, including a front and rear camera system, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. These features provide additional security and convenience, making the Corvette as practical as it is thrilling. The performance data recorder allows drivers to capture and analyze their driving sessions, further enhancing the Corvette's appeal to serious driving enthusiasts. Value and accessibility. One of the most remarkable aspects of the 2024 Corvette is its ability to deliver supercar-level performance at a relatively accessible price. This value proposition, combined with its luxurious interior and cutting-edge technology, makes the Corvette a standout in the luxury sports car market. Whether as a daily driver or a weekend track car, the Corvette offers an unmatched combination of performance, luxury, and affordability. Conclusion. The 2024 Chevrolet Corvette's blend of breathtaking performance, luxurious features, and striking design has earned it the title of Best Luxury Sports Car for 2025. As an American icon, the Corvette continues to push the boundaries of what a luxury sports car can be, offering a driving experience that is both thrilling and refined. For those who seek the ultimate in performance and luxury, the Corvette remains the definitive choice.